In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and adjust your bank account balance in your accounting software. This can be a common task if you're managing financial records and notice discrepancies in your bank balance. Ensuring accuracy is crucial for keeping your books in order and maintaining trust in your financial data. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. To start, you'll want to navigate to the accounting section within your software. Once you're there, look for the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is an essential tool that lists all your financial accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. It's structured to give you a detailed view of where your money is coming from and where it's going, making it easier to analyze your financial health. Now, your next focus will be to find the bank account in question. Scroll through your list of accounts until you locate it, and when you do, go ahead and open the account's register. The register functions much like a digital ledger where you can view all the transactions associated with that account. This is where we'll make necessary adjustments to keep everything aligned. When you've accessed the register, the next step is to locate the beginning balance transaction. The beginning balance is typically a starting point for reconciling your bank accounts, representing the balance of your account as of a specific date. Take your time to ensure you find the correct transaction, as the accuracy of this step is key to successfully balancing your books. Once you've located the beginning balance transaction that you intend to modify, you may notice that the amount doesn't match your bank statement. If that's the case, you'll need to edit this transaction. Click on the transaction to open it up and carefully adjust the amount to reflect the correct balance. The correct entry should mirror the opening balance shown on your bank statement. With the updated amount in place, make sure to save your changes to apply the adjustment. This step is crucial for aligning your records with your financial institution's records, so double check your entries before saving. After making these adjustments, you'll want to reconcile your account again. Reconciliation is the process of ensuring that the amounts on your bank statement are consistent with the amounts reflected in your accounting software. By doing this, you verify that all your transactions have been accurately recorded and that there are no missing or duplicate entries. Reviewing this process ensures that your accounts are accurate and up to date, which will significantly aid in any financial analysis or reporting needs. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted your bank balance and reconciled your account. By following these steps, you'll keep your financial records precise, allowing for more confident financial decision making. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for more helpful accounting tips.